Today I'm making a classic, a BLT sandwich. This is super easy, super delicious. I always start with the bacon because that has to cook. Lay it out on a baking sheet with parchment paper, another piece of parchment, another sheet on top. This way the bacon can't curl up and you get that straight piece of bacon. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now for the tomatoes. I lay these out on a tray. I add salt, some pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar, which just adds the nostalgia of eating a tomato like an apple when you were 8 years old and the juice would run down your arm, right? And a little relish, because I want a little pickly, extra puckery, vinegary note. Take iceberg lettuce, a little bit of red wine vinegar, give it a little stir. And now bread, pretty important, right? Toasted, little mayo, all the way to the end of the crust. I'm always thinking of Jeff Morrow, the sandwich king, telling me crust to crust is a must. Tomatoes, right on top. Bacon, 2-3 slices, and you'll see I'm parking it all over. It's like a little bacon treasure hunt. And then the lettuce, nice and vinegary. Bread, press. Because part of getting a sandwich is actually being able to eat it. Moment of truth. Look at that. Come on. What I love most is getting to the meat of the tomato, but then that little crunch of bacon, smokiness, saltiness comes through. I get that little bit of pickle. Yeah, it's a BLT.